this weapon! Understand? They lied! Marley and her LTN, they're all just in it for themselves! And guess what? I'm the same! I've gotta get home alive!
Kids, what do we know about anything? Why did there have to be people like this? Why? Why did I let myself devolve into such a half-assed piece of shit?
Teague, Annie, Rhina, you've been shouldering the burden of humanity's hatred since you were born. It's inexcusable.